Hello and welcome to day 59 of Bedtime Welsh. I think I'm going to need to cut my hair again quite soon. What do you reckon?
No.
Yeah? No? No? Okay, fine, like this. So, yeah, we're building up to a monster for you here. We've got one monstrous sentence in this one, so I hope you have some fun with that. Putting all the things we've been doing the last few days together. Let's kick off with, because I'm reading.
Achos dwi'n darllen.
Achos dwi'n darllen. How about because I'm reading the book?
Oherwydd
Achos.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr. Okay, how about, let's go for the big one. Because I'm reading the book you gave to me.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr nes I roi I mi.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr nes ti roi I mi. If you got any of that right, well done. Okay, couple to wrap it up with. I haven't finished.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen. And finally, I haven't finished eating.
Dwi heb di gorffen.
Dwi ddim wedi.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. As you heard from Angharad, there are different ways of saying that. But we'll stick with dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. Now, what's the longest sentence you could make out of all those different bits today? There's one way to put them all together to say everything, which would just be monstrous if any of you can work that one out. And we'll see that the next time we actually remember to do a Saturday Zoom. We're feeling a bit apologetic today because we forgot about that. Hopefully by the time you see this, that will be ancient history and nobody will mind anymore. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.